In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same with the other one you need, and when you have both opened here, select which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then tap on the icon of it, select split screen and click on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both at once. To go back from this mode, you can go into background apps again and swipe both. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!